up, guys? So today we will be teaching you guys how to make
hand sanitizer.
Okay, guys, so these are all the ingredients you will need. First, you will need a container for your hand sanitizer. You will also need a bowl to mix your hand sanitizer, a measuring spoon, 1/3 of a measuring cup, and something to transfer from the bowl to the hand sanitizer. Your 70% alcohol, some aloe vera gel, 100% gel, essential oil. We picked eucalyptus, and that's it. Right now we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera. So squirt this in. And squirt it in the aloe vera, 1 cup of aloe vera. You can see here.
It's so satisfying.
It is the. That enough? A little more. There it is. 1 cup of aloe vera.
1/3 cup.
1/3 of a cup of aloe vera. Put it in. And put the. And we're gonna add another spoon of a cup because you want a little bit more hand sanitizer. Can you hold the spoon, Jace? Thanks.
It's floating.
Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. Put it in, Jace.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to empty out all of this first. Now we're going to add 2/3 of a cup. So 2/3 of a cup of alcohol.
2 of those.
2 of these. We're gonna fill this up once. That's 1/3, guys. Pour it in.
One more.
And another third.
It kind of looks like there's nothing because it looks so clear.
Yeah. So now we're going to mix and see you guys after the mixing.
No, just mix it.
Yeah.
Hi, Jace.
Hi.
It looks so cool, guys. I think you should add a little bit more aloe vera. Right? Do you want it? You want it to be thicker, Mom? Yeah. Okay.
No.
That's it. That's it. There you go. That's our dog in the background, by the way. There's she. And comment down below, guys, if you like these videos. Okay. That looks mixed, right? There you go. It's about mixed. As you can see, it's kind of liquidy, but not at the same time. Kind of solidy. Now we're going to add 15 drops of our essential oil. So we have eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus.
So 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's it.
No. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. 5. That's good. That's kind of strong, Jace. Smells like alcohol.
Oh yeah, it does. Actually, kind of.
I feel like we should put a little bit more aloe vera because look, it's kind of.
No, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys putting it inside the tube. Okay, guys. So we have been stirring the mix right here. Look, it's become like hand sanitizer, as you can see. So now we are going to add it inside our tube. So we're gonna put this thing right here and pour it in. Guys, look, it's going down. It's our first time making hand sanitizer since, you know, the stock, it's running out. They're getting very expensive. Like on Amazon, hand sanitizer goes for like $50 now. It's just crazy. Okay, guys, so this amount right here should fill you about half the bottle. And right now, let's try it out and see if it works. Wait, you gotta shake it first.
Shake.
Ready? Look at it. It looks exactly like hand sanitizer, guys. It smells like eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus.
Want some hand sanitizer, Jace?
Sure.
That's so cool. And you could just If you wanted to make more hand sanitizer, just
Double the portion.
double the portions. Yeah. So instead of doing one
One
third of a
third.
cup, you do 2, and just multiply it as much as you want.
Multiply.
Okay. So see you guys later. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. This is my TikTok. My TikTok is gonna be right here. My Instagram's gonna be right here. Jace's TikTok's gonna be
Right here.
here in the middle, and his TikTok's gonna be right here.
Make sure
Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you guys in another video, and comment down if you like these videos. See you guys. Bye.
And let's try to get to 100K likes. If we can.